Yo, good morning everybody. So today we're doing a special day. I hope you guys can see me. I don't know if you guys can see me or not. But today I'm installing coilovers for my friend. She has a 2016 Hyundai Elantra. And I've never installed the coils for a Hyundai, so that'd be interesting, but from what it looks like, it seems to be similar to mine. So that's not Lexus content today, but it's car content accounts. We're doing a fresh early morning to drop off wheels for my brother. So we'll see you then. Oh, for a disclaimer, we will be installing it at my friend's house, same one whose camera shot where I saw my coilovers at. And then just like what I did with him, we do a little voiceover so not to get weird and everything for him and his family. So just bear with me with the voiceovers and we'll stay tuned for the install later. So as another disclaimer, I'm going to be doing the voiceovers and time lapses. So I'm going to be recording one side and then time lapsing the other to help you guys like see it. And I am very sorry if I didn't record exactly what I did or like showed, but please message me. I'm more than happy to help you. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and just ask any questions if you have. Alright, so right here we are removing the top portion, which is blocking the top hats or the top struts of the OEM. And to do that, we have to remove the windshield wipers because it's like connected all the way to the windshield.
new. Don't need bags or a pass. Say the word, I'll be there in a flash. You could say my hat is off to you.
Okay, so the rears are a little bit confusing because I've never seen this before on a car, but that bolt right here, that's holding the top of the strut down. And then there's also one on the bottom, which I'll show later. Those two bolts are holding the strut down, and then to get the spring, you can't really remove anything on the bottom part because it's not a load control or anything. It's actually part of the chassis. Hopefully it shows through the video of how I explained it or how we did it. And if you have any questions, just comment down below. I'm more than happy to help you if I can. But it's not as bad as it seems. It is a little bit confusing, but once you get it, it's not as difficult. As you can see, I just moved over here. You see that strut, and that's the top of the bolt right there. Alright, so I just hope you guys enjoyed the video so far. Keep watching, and let's get back to the install.
Here we go!
Okay, so please bear with me, but right now we're working on the other side right now. I'm sorry I didn't record it, but I have me and my friend's dad doing it, and we're trying to remove one side to loosen tension on this side. Later in the video, you'll see that once we drop the other side, the tension does expand, which loosens out the tension, and we can remove the spring from there. Yep, there you go. See? As shown, we loosen out the suspensions, but you can't really remove that spring. It's kind of dangerous. What we end up doing is we remove the brake caliper to avoid the stress on the brake lines, and from there you'll see through the video. So I hope that explains it a little bit better, and just bear with me please. Thank you.
Find a new addition to the cast. You know that any captain needs a crew. Take it in stride as you look side to side. There's a different point.
Okay, so right about now we're about to drop the jack off right there. You see the back over there? We're lowering it down, and it loosens out the tension, as you can see. So once you remove both of the struts on both sides, that whole bottom piece right here all goes down with it. It's all one piece, even on the other side. So it loosens both sides, which you can easily remove the spring as shown here. Again, don't stress out. It was a really easy install. The fastest install I did on coilovers ever. It took me about 2 hours. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and just keep watching until the end.
Here we go!
Yo, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Sorry it's a little bit late and this upload's a little bit late, but I'm trying to upload every week if I can. But lately with summer classes getting a little bit busy and the weather is still crap here. But please bear with me. I'll do my best to upload every week, and I hope you guys enjoyed that coilover install. I am very sorry if it's not very the best or very broad. Just comment me down below. I'll leave my Instagram right here as well if you want to DM me. I'll even leave the owner's owner's Instagram right here as well. Please give her a follow. Her car is clean. Like she's got so much stuff to play with it. Follow her build, and just stay tuned for next week's video. Just my channel is gonna be mostly more car content now, cause I see most of the guys subscribe for the car content. I can't promise it's gonna be Lexus content every time, but it's car content every time. If you guys have anything you'd like to see, just comment down below. I'm more than happy to help, like try to make videos. What you guys want to recommend? I'm sorry if not in focus or not, I can't tell, but this lens is not great. I'm waiting for my new lens to come in, so I can't wait for that to happen. Again, I'm sorry if this video is choppy and not explaining much, but I tried to do my best. Just comment down below, DM me, and I'll be more than happy to help you follow with the install. So, as always, be safe, and I'll see you guys next week.